Hello friends, it's Ms. Dwyer. If you've seen any of my other lessons, I taught you a little bit how to find seeds and interesting things to explore. So today we're going to go on a seed hunt to look for how seeds spread in different ways. All seeds need to get to what they need in order to grow. What do they need? Well, they need sunlight, they need soil, and they need water. That's what they all need. So sometimes they have to travel from their parent plant to a new spot to find all those things. So we're going to look for 4 seeds that have different ways of traveling to find what they need. Now for this lesson, what you'll need is a paper plate like this. Now you can see that I've drawn on my paper plate 2 lines that intersect or cross right in the middle, and that gives me 4 spots to put my seeds in. Now if I wanted to, I could draw right on this, or I could take some Scotch tape and tape my seeds down in each of my 4 sections. What if you don't have a paper plate? Well, that's no problem. You could just draw yourself a nice circle on a piece of paper and draw those lines in it to cut it into 4 sections and put your seeds right there. So how do seeds find good places to grow up? Well, that depends on the plant. So I'm holding in my hand right now a little mini tomato because I'm in the garden and I found a tomato growing. I've eaten a lot of tomatoes, so I know there's seeds inside here. How do we think these seeds spread? Or let's look at something else. There are some old flower stems in this garden, and you may have even seen something going past the camera. Now, if I put up my arm, what happens? How do those seeds spread? Are there any clues just from looking at the seeds themselves? Here's a close-up if you want a better look at them. They're actually pretty cool. Let me tell you something. They're not going anywhere. So once I've found 4 seeds that spread in different ways, I'm going to tape them right onto my paper plate or right into my notebook. And I'm going to have a good look at them. How do I think that seed spreads? Is it even a seed? Are there seeds inside? What about this one? Is this a seed? Are there seeds inside it? Well, now I might take another one and open it up and see what it looks like. Now I just have one safety note for us too. We know that whenever we're exploring in science, we use our 5 senses, except there's one sense that's not safe for us to use. I bet you can guess what it is. We never want to put anything in our mouths that we've been touching that we found outside. So we can look, we can touch most things, we can listen, we can use all of our senses, except we don't want to taste, because that wouldn't be safe. And I'm going to make sure that when I'm out exploring, as soon as I go back inside, I'm going to wash my hands. I hope you have fun looking for ways seeds spread. I just found a couple of these. I think I'm going to bring these inside, go up to the top of my staircase and drop one and see what happens. And if that gives me any clues about how seeds spread. I'll see you later.